One of the strategies that students can use to solve problems is called doubles plus 1 or doubles minus 1. Here's an example of a doubles plus 1 problem. As you can see in our equation, the two numbers are only one spot apart. So what we can do with 8 plus 7 is we can think of two doubles that can help us solve this problem. One thing that I usually guide the students to do is to look at the smaller number, which in this case would be our 7, and double that one first. So if I can solve 7 plus 7, which is 14, then I look at how many spaces away the 8 is. 8 is only one more than 7, so I can just add one more onto that to get my final answer of 15. Now this was just one way of doing it. Another way would be to start with the bigger number. I could do the double 8 plus 8 equals 16, and I know that 8 is one more than 7, so I could take one away from the 16 to give me 15. I still get the same answer, but I need to remember that after I double, I need to either add one or subtract one with this strategy. Another example is 4 plus 5. They're only one digit apart, so what I can do, I usually like to start with the lower number to solve this problem. If I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8, 5 is only one more than that, so I could add one more on to get my final answer of 9. Just like last time, I could do a double minus 1 as well, starting with my 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 is one less, so I'll take one away, and I will get my final answer of 9 again. The same strategy can be done with doubles plus 2 or doubles minus 2. In this situation, the digits need to be two spaces away from each other, just like 5 and 7 in the equation on the screen. Just like last time, I usually start with the smaller. I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. 7 is 2 more than 5, so I can just add 2 more on, and 10 and 2 more gives me 12. The same goes for minusing 2, so doubles minus 2. I would start with the bigger number. I would start by doing my 7s as my double. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 5 is 2 less than 7, so I would do my doubles minus 2, which would give me 12. Now this is just one strategy. If your child is more comfortable using their counting on strategy, using their fingers, that's absolutely fine, but we have found that a lot of them are able to use this strategy correctly, but I noticed that some people were getting confused on the homework because it's not something that we usually discuss outside of school. The last example is 8 plus 6, and since these two numbers are two spaces apart, I can use my doubles plus 2 or my doubles minus 2. The first number I like to use is the smaller, so I could do 6 plus 6 equals 12. I know that 8 is 2 more than 6, so I will add 2 on to get 14. And lastly, I can also do the same thing with minus 2. I could do 8 plus 8 equals 16. 6 is 2 less, so I will minus 2, and I can get 14, the same answer. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any more questions about doubles plus 1, minus 1, or doubles plus 2, minus 2.